Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a quick yogurt bowl. You can make this within minutes and it's really healthy, and it's also a good snack, and you can show this to your kids to instill good eating habits and just have a tasty treat. So see you at the recipe. Thanks. Bye bye. Dan Soy, aka Batman in the kitchen. Alright, so for today's yogurt bowl, it's gonna be only a couple things. And like anything else, like I always say, it's your house, your cook, do what you want. So we have strawberries and mango. That's totally optional. You got your bowl, you got your vanilla yogurt, and I picked up something really interesting, s'mores granola. And it's chocolate chunks with marshmallows. So yogurt bowls and smoothies are easy to make. So we got this really high quality yogurt here. It's organic, so this is really healthy. So first start out by taking your yogurt and putting it in your bowl. Alright, so you can see we got that nice creamy yogurt, and we only have the fruit left, which is totally optional. Some people are going to just want to throw the granola in there, but why not throw a couple pieces in there to add some more taste. But now we're going to open this and we're going to toss some of that in there. Alright, so there's our granola. Look at the marshmallows and the chocolate. So we're going to take some of this and we're going to just sprinkle it in that bowl. And this is like a personal preference. Like when you add the granola, it's all what you want. So just add what you want, and then we'll throw a couple pieces of fruit in. This is like a 2-minute recipe, and I just wanted to bring you a quick idea. Alright, so we have the granola in there. And like I said, it's personal preference. You can load it up or keep it late. Now we're gonna just take some fruit and we're gonna just place this about strawberries and mango, and basically it's your bowl, your cook. Alright, so we're done. There's your quick 2-minute yogurt bowl. We use quality ingredients, natural and organic, and you couldn't ask for anything better. This is good for breakfast, a snack, give it to your kids. But like I said, the 2021 direction of my channel is to bring you a variety of things, uncensored, unedited. So we do this together, and we have much more to come in 2021. God bless. Can you hit subscribe and hit the bell? And I'm going to try to bring you 2 to 3 uploads every week. Peace. God bless. Dan Soy.